Hello everyone and welcome to a new game dev stream. We're gonna pick up right where we left off last time. We're working on the GUI for the inventory and we were figuring out how to make it like Final Fantasy 9 inventory. Which is a really nice look uh, that I want to have in my game as well. Okay, let's continue working on that. So last time, see how far we went. We got here, and the problem we were facing, we could not switch to another cell, another item, to this cell being disabled, not selectable. Yeah, life has been happening. I did not have time to check this beforehand, so we're just gonna keep going through the documentation. It's gonna be a slow stream. We're gonna be figuring things out. So I don't think select mode. Oh yeah, we already looked into this. Let's just search for select and see if there's anything else that might catch our attention. There's no way to highlight them all. That's not good. I think we're gonna have to implement. Actually, maybe we should be able to vibe code the rest of the inventory. Possibly. I'm not sure. Let's go to the player.gd here. So we got get player get first. I don't like this either. And damage draw. Although, yeah. This is fine. Yeah, I wanted to include here like a damage draw to get instance, but damage draw is a native class. That's something that I added directly to the engine. And I could do a get instance, but I would have to wrap the class around another class. And I'm going to work on this class later because right now we are. It's called damage draw, but we can actually draw any kind of text. So I think I'm gonna rename this to batch text draw, and we could probably make it a bit more dynamic in terms of animation. Although I don't want the animation, I'm not sure. Because right now the animation is hard coded. And these options are specific for the animation. Unnamed arg. Oh, this argument is not named. This is wrong. In the bindings. I can fix that later. Okay, never mind. Let's go back to the tree. So let's just get it working. There's a way here to get the inventory. I forget. Oh, here, get first player inventory manager. So, but we don't want that here. We want this within the item step once we're done coding the actual UI. And I think all we need is the movement. Because once we have the movement, right now I cannot move into the column titles. If I use the keyboard, nothing happens. But if I press right here, the selection just drops off entirely, which is not what we want. Okay, let's just implement that. So we can do, actually, I may be able to, if so, let's just make the AI implement it directly. Because it already gave me a solution that I think is the one that we want. I need to update Copilot. Today is gonna be a short stream again. Just an hour. I'm impressed by how many views I'm getting. The last stream got 15 views. I don't know what people are finding in my streams, but I'm glad people are watching them. It's cool. Wait, how many views again? I swear I saw more views. Wait, my streams are getting broken. What's wrong? I think there's something wrong with my setup. I see some streams that lasted just 1 minute. One that lasted just 10 minutes. 10 minutes ago? Wait, what? Is it this stream right now? Yeah, it's this stream. What the hell? My stream is dying and coming back again, alive. Oh, there's something wrong with my streaming setup. There's something really off. Yeah, and I have some dropped frames. Okay. Let's take it for a spin. Ooh. No, this does not work as expected at all. What is wrong? I'm pressing right now. Nothing is happening. Hmm. This is strange. Looks like it should work. But it's not working at all. Hmm. Oh, I had one video with 12 views. Okay. Yeah, that's the video I think I was talking about from 3 days ago. Here. So we're pressing right, which should be input. In here. This logic looks good to me. Find next selectable column. This is fine. This jumps the current column and then starts looking into the... This looks fine to me. And I don't think this is the correct, well, should be. But there's another thing that we can use here, if I remember. Let me check tree item itself. Because I think... Yeah, there's get prev. Okay, probably there's another, like a get next, maybe? Previous sibling. We do not want the parent. Yeah, there's a get next. And this is wrong because this is stuck in the same tree item. I think this is the problem of the logic. Because the tree item is never, well, is selectable. So the tree item represents the column, the entire column, I think. Let me see. It is selectable. We're supposed to see 3 here. Actually, no, 0, 1, 2. We're supposed to see 2 when we press the right. Oh, it is 2. This is wrong. I think it should be dot select. Oh, now it works. Sweet. And then let's add another row. Let's just add another row here. Now we should be able to use... Oh, sweet. Okay, so there's something off here. If I press left once, nothing happens. If I press left again, we jump, we wrap around. I don't want that. And if I press right here, Yeah, there's something off with the logic still. Let's just keep adding. Let's just track this change. And I just updated copilots. Let's just restart. Then also that the when we reach an edge. I think I'm just vibe coding this because I don't think this seems easy enough what I'm asking, and also I don't think what I want is actually built into the tree, so we gotta implement it ourselves, and I don't want to deal with GUI code. So after this, what we need to do is grab inventory manager, and basically all this logic for creating each row, we can abstract it, and then with some simple math, we should be able to, we can display the inventory manager data within this GUI, this GUI. Okay. You just dropped some errors that I can just fix. You know, this is an integer and this is bad implementation. Saying this is a bad implementation of range. And we need to clean the cache because we're getting the black screen again. Okay, so ooh, it's wrapping around correctly. Oh, there's something off with the up and down. Oh, there's something off with up and down. Maybe I don't need this. Yeah, I don't need that code. Okay. So we can remove this code too. It's not needed. This is the AI not hallucinating things. Need any of this? This is fine. Acceptable column. Fine. Next row. I don't think we need this. Yeah, we're not using this. Are we using this? No, we're not. We're using this? No, we're not. We're using this? No, we're not. We're using this. Oh my god, so much noise from the AI. Stick it for a spin again. Yep. Yep. Oh my god, it works beautifully. All right. Let's just commit this change. Implement rough. It's just, yeah, rough. F9, like item menu. Let's do a draft. Okay, we're gonna push this change. We don't want to lose this data. And now, based on this, we're gonna code the rest of the item menu. I've been sleeping so much the last day. I mean, I slept a lot yesterday, and I just worked out, and I'm tired again, and I want to sleep again. And I'm cooking tofu is also taking some time because I don't know how to prepare it yet. I've been following some videos on YouTube to get tasty tofu cooked. What is this? Oh yes, so my component. I'm not gonna implement this. I thought of adding a stomach like in Noida, but it really doesn't make sense within this RPG. Because this is not really survival to an extent. It's not a well, it's kind of like a survival game, but not in the typical horror survival. Because I want it to be more RPG like. I actually want it to be like Tibia, to be honest. Let me pull up that game. I don't think many people know about that game. It's such an old game. But if you play it, this is kind of like the vibe that I'm going for. I'm looking for it right now. I'll show it on screen really quick. I don't know why Chromium is being so slow today. Ah ha 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 ha, this game. It's such an old game, but I really like it. Because this is basically what TV the best ever to the RPG. This is basically what my game is inspired on to an extent. Because you can power level so bad in this game, so it can take years to get to a crazy level. And there's no end to the leveling. But that's what I don't like though. Because it's infinite grinding. There's no goal at the end. The goal is just to get as strong as possible. And I feel like it's a stupid goal. I mean, it's not if you want to, because you need to be strong to explore the entire map, right? So if you want to see every corner of the world, you need to get strong. But otherwise, what's the reward? Social currency? That you're strong? And it gets boring eventually because you're just grinding and grinding and grinding with no end. And it feels like you're wasting your life just grinding. For what reward? Just being with people on these raids or something? I don't know. I mean, it's cool at first, but it feels meaningless. So meaningless. I mean, you can go on a killing spree too. You can kill people, other players. Why not? If you feel like making someone miserable. Okay, let's go back to the item menu here. So we are going to replace this portion right here. We were using an items list. And here. We're gonna nuke that. Um, I think we're gonna keep the. Wait, hold on. I need to pull up the item database again. Um, so I don't remember where the description of the items go in the Final Fantasy VII menu. I mean, it's Final Fantasy IX menu. Cycle. I'm doing a capture right now. That's why I'm mentioning motorcycles. I don't know. Google keeps thinking I'm a bot using the internet. Maybe because I have some servers in my apartment that. I mean, a bunch of the data that I'm pushed to the Git, it's a local repository, my own Git server, and that gets backed up at night. Oh, wait. Interesting. So Final Fantasy IX does not have a... We need to play it to see where the description of the item shows up. Is there anything else? Range key. Oh, I really like this card game. It's simple, but it's so cool. Can we go back? No, there's nothing here. I like this ability system. I've never played actually this game entirely, just the very beginning. But I remember a family member, I think it was my cousin's father, who played it. So we have this like other item menu. Yeah, I will play around with the... Yeah, I'll probably do that stream or play this offline because I really want to figure out this menu too. So I already have basically the same thing. Like a weapon, head armor. Well, the mine has a few more things. Maybe I should make it smaller. Less things. Equipable. Anyway. Yeah, I'll probably play this game for a little bit to figure out the menus. But for now, at least the items themselves is just gonna be what we just coded. So that part, let's get to it. Okay, so we click here. You out of my face. I don't want to see you anymore. And then we're just gonna add a... Well, we just change it. Change type tree. Yep. Then items tree. Is there a... Yeah, I see contrast. Okay. And we're gonna... Actually, I can just copy and paste this node. Yeah. I'm gonna make it local. And then the items. Okay. And we're also gonna disconnect the script because we're gonna put everything here in this. And I think we can also connect to the GUI input signal, right? I remember it's a GUI input signal. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So there's a bunch of code here that is now actually, you know what? We're gonna try and vibe code this. Yeah, items list. Okay. Now, refactor items tab with the knowledge with the so that instead of item list that with tree that is implemented similar to added. Let me just do this here. So it's items. Word. I always told the AI this, but items. Let's see if I can do this. If we can do this porting for me, that would be really, really nice. I think this is the best way to use AI. Give it small examples, small snippets of what you want. And it usually is able to figure out from there what you want. And in this case, since it already has an example of the items list, how the items list was coded, it might be able to sort of figure out how to port that to the tree. If this doesn't work, we'll do this manually. I think we have enough time to make this change. Gosh, I'm so tired. I just want to shower and sleep again. Like last time. Yeah, I'm being lazy here because there's a lot that needs to be retyped, basically. And yeah, the inventory manager needs to be rehooked to the signals. And I think the AI should be able to figure this out. Hey, it's deleting the file. Huh. Let's let it do its thing. I don't know why my mouse is bigger when I stream. Oh wait, in this window it's bigger. Hold on. Is it bigger here? It's big here too. And here? No, not here. Not here either. But here it's big. But only when I stream. So weird. Huh. 39 minutes already. It's crazy how fast time flies when doing game dev. Maybe I'm talking too much. I need to focus more on coding. I don't know. I don't know. Hmm. This is taking longer than I thought. Let's let it do its thing. Did it touch the scene? I hope it did not. Oh no, it did. I'll need to take a look at what it did. And that's something I don't like about the AI, since it doesn't really have a lot of context. It looks for the context within scenes, and then if it thinks something needs to change, it changes it, and then sometimes it corrupts the actual scene. Spot check, you see? Spot checking scene writing, just talking about that. Oh gosh. I hope, yeah, we'll look at the scene file and figure it out. But it usually makes mistakes, especially on the version of Godot that I'm using, since it's the latest stable and the documentation is still sometimes not updated properly. Okay, set it finished. Reload from disk. Okay, let's just take it for a spin. We have the again. Black screen. What did it do here? Oh gosh, let's just open the all-in-one pause menu again. Something looks so bad here. What did you do, AI? Oh, nothing. I think. Why am I still getting a black screen? Oh, hold on. This needs... I'm still getting a black screen. That's... And we're gonna crash again. Yeah, I think I have the dev version running. I compiled this earlier. Let's just run the dev version, so that we can get a proper backtrace. Yeah, leave gcoff, we don't need that. I'm getting a black screen again. Oh, wait. Oh, I know what's wrong. I'm not properly cleaning this. Okay, now it should work. Sweet. Okay, there's no item, so that's fine. Now we have a player. Okay. Cool. This is working properly though. I don't think the menu is working. Yeah, it's off. That's okay. Can we use it? This works. This works. Okay. That's sweet. Okay, let's take a look at the changes. No, this is fine. We're adding this. Why are you doing this? Why are you storing the item name columns? Oh. Yeah, this is fine. Yep. Just looping through them. This is faster than yeah, that's okay. Wait, actually I did not test the entire functionality. New game. So when I put, oh yeah, hold on. Yep, the UI is broken. The GUI input thing. What is it doing here? Oh no, this is bad. We don't want this here. Yeah, this needs to be fixed. Configure items tree. Yeah, this is fine. Although I don't want. We already. There's no need to do this. This is fine. This is fine. Oh. Wait, did the item description work? I don't think it did. That's okay. Fix that later. The item description does works. Sweet. Okay, this is so cool. Okay. Let me use right split here. I am falling asleep again. What the hell? Gosh, I just want to shower and sleep. We'll fix. I'm gonna fix this on stream or off stream if I fall asleep or not. Or off stream. This needs is called block. Connected to the GUI input signal of the item stream. Let's see what else did it do. Let's make this a bit bigger. Items tree set focus. Why are we disabling the focus? What? Oh yeah, I remember why I was doing this. So when you So Godot has a really nice feature when you use control nodes and you position them using specific nodes. You can just move the focus to another control, like a clickable control or pressable control, or any control you can interact with. You can just move to that control by just pushing the, say, up, down, left, right arrows. And if you drop the focus, if you don't let the engine focus the node, then you can make the engine skip that node. So it's a very fancy way of, or easy way of configuring which nodes you can focus when just pressing the up and the arrows. Wait, does the tree item does not have that, right? Let's see focus. No, there's no focus here. It's just selectable. Maybe the tree. Yeah, but this is the control focus mode. There's nothing here. I don't think there's nothing here important. Yes, it's this thing. It's probably just implemented. It probably shows up here again because it's implemented differently in this class, I guess. I mean, not the focus mode value, but underneath. I don't. Oh, because it's an override. Okay. Okay, I think I understand. Focus. There's nothing else, just style box stuff. It would be nice to have a highlight all here. I'm so tired again. Let's just continue digging into this code and then we'll finish. Yeah, this is right. This is right. Populate item 3 with empty slots. What is this? Slot 3 item. Why? Well, it's a cool mapping though. Because it makes it easy to access. That's okay. Slot to name column map. Slot to name. Oh, the item name column. Okay, I see. Ah. So it's using that for this, okay. Why do I have the item functional? Oh, no, this is okay. This is okay. But I feel like we could make this a static function. No, maybe not. Yeah, let's keep it this way for now. Get item column. Yeah, this is fine. This looks fine to me. Oh, this is cool. So when the use item is pressed, if there's nothing selected, okay, this is cool. We'll check how it flows later. We'll test it further. Yeah, this needs to be fixed. Fixed on stream. Position is still off when the window is bigger than the viewport size. It's, scaled accordingly. Is there anything else here? Oh yeah, this block on the move, which is not working yet. This is fine. This is off though. Are we really using this? It again did the same thing. Oh my god. This needs to be removed. Actually, if I do just that, what happens? It's still not working. I cannot move. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, this looks fine for the most part. Gosh, I'm falling asleep again. Okay, I'm gonna leave it as is here. I'll probably take a shower, and if I don't fall asleep, I'll work on this off stream. There's a bunch of things that I need to work off stream. Or probably I'll just work on them on stream. Alright, let's just do some cleanup here. I think... Did I clean up the... I did not. Instead of committing that code, I'm just gonna remove all the Final Fantasy menu. Yeah, all this can go away. Wait, no, not yet. Yep. When I finish the only one pause menu items tab, then we remove that. Okay. Alright, this is it. We're ending stream here. Thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate the support. I'm impressed that I have so many views on my videos. I have about 19 followers, and a video getting 12 views is crazy. So thank you everyone for being part of the stream. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope you enjoy and that you learn something. I'll see you guys next time.